taas
Whitney
ka mo po.
Houston.
Ha?
Whitney Houston. Ang imo ang timo.
Oh.
Pwede
Ikaw po kay mura kag si Tiffany.
Tiffany.
Oh, wala pa dyan ang human sila diha.
Kapit
Wala
na
pa.
sila.
Sige kay basi ga make up padagay na ikaduha.
Maghapit na na sila.
Di ba imong kuan kay dancing man to imong talent sa una?
Sa una na talaga na.
Ano imong wawi-wa, mawi-wawi, ana?
Tumawi-mawi.
O por dili ka mo bitay. Di ako.
Dugay pa ba sila? Matay o kanta sa alamang ko.
Mao. Sakit tabi na akong barikos dire oh.
Sibay mo kanta ko.
Sinala mo siya sa
Kanta.
Okay, I think they're all set. At this point, let us all be all ears and be sure to keep our eyes open, for we are about to proceed with the entrance of the candidates for King and Queen 2026. Our eighth runner-up, Prince Glenmore Diliatan Jr., 7 years of age, from Buntod, Baco, a grade 2 pupil, under the advisory of Mrs. Marilo M. Rosino. He is the son of Mr. Glenmore Diliatan Sr. and Mrs. Maria Flora May Diliatan. His favorite color is red. He likes playing basketball, swimming, and reading books. His ambition is to become a doctor someday. He believes in the saying, success doesn't necessarily come from breakthrough innovation, but from flawless execution.
And ladies and gentlemen, our eighth runner-up is Princess Andrea L. Aurea, 9 years of age, from Buntod, Baco. A grade 4 pupil under the advisory of Miss Sheena Marie E. Tangonan. She is the daughter of Mr. Abondio R. Aurea and Mrs. Rosalinda T. Lustan. Her favorite color is blue. She loves coloring books. Her ambition is to become a teacher someday. She believes in the saying, good friends are like stars. You don't always see them, but you know they are always there. Our eighth runner-up, Prince Glenmore Diliatan Jr.
And Princess Andrea L. Aurea.
Let's give them a resounding applause.
from Bungtud, Baco. A grade 5 Adrake pupil under the advisory of Mrs. Kylie Day M. Adrake. He is the son of Mr. Harriet Curindora and Mrs. Merlin Curindora. His favorite color is yellow. He likes computer games and Roblox. His ambition is to become a policeman someday. He believes in the saying, enjoy the little things in life because one day you will look back and realize they were the big things.
Ladies and gentlemen, our seventh runner-up is Princess Shana Zoe Tukali, 7 years of age from Bungtud, Baco. A grade 2 Rosil pupil under the advisory of Mrs. Marlo M. Rosil. She is the daughter of Miss Saturnina D. Tukali. Her favorite color is pink and violet. She loves drawing, dancing, and singing. Her ambition is to become an architect someday. She believes in the saying, beauty is not found in face, but found in the heart. Ladies and gentlemen, our seventh runner-up, Prince Kevin A. Rindora and Princess Shana Zoe Tukali. Let's give them a big applause.
Ladies and gentlemen, our sixth runner-up is Prince Stephen Anthony Y. Seno, 9 years of age, from Bungtud, Baco. A grade 4 Tangunan pupil under the advisory of Miss Sheena Marie B. Tangunan. He is the son of Artemio B. Seno and Mrs. Estrella C. Seno. His favorite color is green. He likes running and playing Mobile Legends. His ambition is to become a policeman someday. He believes in the saying, success is the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful.
Ladies and gentlemen, our sixth runner-up is Princess Ariana May T. Ayay, 9 years of age from Bungtud, Baco. A grade 3 Managing pupil under the advisory of Mrs. Rogelyn T. Managing. She is the daughter of Mr. Ramil Ayay and Mrs. Irene T. Ayay. Her favorite color is pink. She loves drawing, coloring, molding, and playing cards. Her ambition is to become a flight stewardess someday. She believes in the saying, there are no secrets to success. It is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure. Our sixth runner-up, Prince Stephen Anthony Y. Sino
And Princess Ariana May T. Ayay.
Let's give them a big applause.
Ladies and gentlemen, our fifth runner-up, Edwin C. Eucor II, 12 years of age, from Bungtud, Baco. A grade 6 Patina pupil under the advisory of Miss Michelle I. Patina. He is the son of Mr. Edwin C. Eucor and Mrs. Janice C. Eucor. His favorite color is yellow. He loves to play basketball. His ambition is to become a police officer someday. He believes in the saying, teamwork makes the dream work.
Ladies and gentlemen, our fifth runner-up is Princess Tiffany Feliz Arvendiola, 12 years of age from San Miguel, Baco. Grade 6 Patina pupil under the advisory of Miss Michelle I. Patina. She is the daughter of Mr. Ray Vendiola and Mrs. Jennifer R. Vendiola. Her favorite color is pink. She loves dancing and singing. Her ambition is to become a singer someday. She believes in the saying, intelligence plus character, that is the goal of true education. Our our fifth runner-up, Prince Edwin C. Yucor II and Princess Stephanie Venice Arvignola. Let's give them a big applause. Ladies and gentlemen, our fourth runner-up, Prince Justin Cifleo Linaba, 8 years of age, from Buntod, Baco, a grade 3 managing pupil, under the advisory of yours truly. He is the son of Mr. Justin Philip Linaban and Mrs. Sarah May Linaban. His favorite color is blue. He loves to play basketball, dancing, and watching cartoons. His ambition is to become a policeman someday. He believes in the saying, live every moment, love every day, love beyond words. Ladies and gentlemen, our fourth runner-up is Princess Eliza Dawn T. Junicio, 7 years of age, from Buntod, Baco. A grade 2 Suhor pupil under the advisory of Mrs. Lillian V. Suhor. She is the daughter of Mr. Rodney Junicio and Mrs. Merle T. Junicio. Her favorite color is pink. She loves to watch TV cartoons, play with friends, dance and sing. Her ambition is to become a teacher someday. She believes in the saying, the beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you. Ladies and gentlemen, our fourth runner-up, Prince Justin Cifleo L. Linaban and Princess Eliza Dawn T. Junicio. Let's give them a big applause. Ladies and gentlemen, our third runner-up, Prince Jasper A. Diab, 5 years of age, from Buntod, Baco, a kindergarten makilas pupil, under the advisory of Mrs. Irene T. Makilas. He is the son of Mr. Rogelio Jr. T. Diama and Mrs. Chona A. Diama. His favorite color is red. He loves to play basketball. His ambition is to become a policeman someday. He believes in the saying, happiness is a choice, not a result. Nothing will make you happy until you choose to be happy. No person will make you happy unless you decide to be happy. Your happiness will not come to you. It can only come from you. Ladies and gentlemen, our third runner-up is Princess Razia Jaida V. Viente, 7 years of age, from Buntod, Baco. A grade 2 Rosil pupil under the advisory of Mrs. Marilo M. Rosil. She is the daughter of Mr. Robert F. Viente and Mrs. Jomari V. Viente. Her favorite color is purple and pink. She loves to play games in her cell phone and loves to play Barbie doll. Her ambition is to become a doctor someday. She believes in the saying, happiness is a perfume that you can pour on others without getting a few drops on yourself. Great, ladies and gentlemen, our third runner-up, Prince Jasper A. Diana and Princess Razia Jaida V. Vieta. Let's give them a big applause. Ladies and gentlemen, our second runner-up, Prince Double G. M. Tabangan, 7 years of age, from Buntod, Baco, a grade 2 Rosil pupil, under the advisory of Mrs. Marilo M. Rosil. He is the son of Mr. Junriel L. Linaban and Mrs. Marilo M. Tabangan. His favorite color is blue. He loves to play badminton. His ambition is to become a seafarer